How's it, guys? So I'm just here. I've just had a package come through. I got it from West Coast 4x4. Was recommended to them by the importer of this truck, and just mentioned a couple of bits. I knew that it was pretty rare to get bits for the for the 76 Cruiser here, the V8. Anyway, called the guy up yesterday, Paul. Said to him, I need these couple of bits. Some service items, a drive belt. Come home today and the bits are sitting there waiting for me, and he even chucked in a couple of courtesy little items, a couple of stickers. Let's have a look at the stickers. So we've got some stickers on, but we also got a diesel treatment. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is the service items, because the vehicle was serviced by the importer, I'm not going to service it now, but I did go ahead and put the cabin filter in. So I've already put it in, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back and just show you exactly how I did that, because I've had a Hilux before, and I can't remember, I think it was in the glove box or below the glove box. You literally just pulled off this plastic cover and there was the filter. But on this one, there's like a duct pipe in front or whatever, so I'm just gonna do that, just show you where that was, because I'm not sure if everybody's seen it. Some people might be looking at it thinking, where the hell is it? So I'll take that back off and I'll show you that. But also, one other thing I just wanted to show you through this leaflet about flash lube. Now I've already seen this stuff, and I've been interested in it in the past, because I've been caught out on some bad diesel a couple of times in a Hilux, and had a few problems with that. So I saw this and I was thinking that this is going to be brilliant. So I just wanted to show you what the leaflet was. It's basically it's this filter here. It's this filter here, and you put it on. It's like a secondary filter, so you got your filter on and you add that to it, and once you got like a secondary filtration system. Absolutely brilliant. And like I say, I've been caught out a couple of times. I did get a bad batch of diesel, and I definitely could have done with one of those. So if anyone's thinking about it, definitely give it a crack, because Paul told me that he actually does all this stuff. I mean, Paul, all the gear like Terrain Tamer, which is all the parts that I just bought. So let me just show you that, because I've got the spares here. So that's the cabin filter. So that's already been put on, but I'll show you that again. That was the little flash lube diesel treatment that he kindly passed on to me. Coming from working with Land Rovers, sometimes having to use things like Britpart, when I saw stuff like this, it was like, wow, what quality. And they've sent for a drive belt. Yeah, so there's the drive belt, and it's actually come in a bag which zips up. So how cool is that? If you're carrying spares, you're like, this is like the perfect way to keep it. It's keeping the belt in pristine condition, and it's flat and easy to pack, and I reckon I'll definitely be able to use that afterwards. Stuff came through like that, your oil filter, so it's just got your paper filter, comes with all your other bits in there. Absolutely brilliant quality, and like, they've really got good reviews. I mean, anybody, like I say, I'm new to, as you know, I do Land Rovers, so I'm new to this stuff, and I mean, for those that know, okay, but for someone like me coming into it, you're like, wow, it's like amazing. Like, what have I been doing all this time? Buying those Britpart and things like that, where it's, you're really paying for something which is, it sometimes can be like inferior. I mean, I have had other stuff in Britpart that's been okay. So what I'll do is, because it's so easy to do this cabin filter, we should be able to do it. Oh look, there's the air filter. I reckon we can do it with a Victorinox. In fact, I know we can do it with a Victorinox, because I've already done it with a Victorinox. So basically, there's your glove box, and underneath the glove box you've got this duct, and there's the fan, and just above that you can see there, this bit actually opens up. So what you need to do is take off this part. So you've got a couple of little screws like that, and I think it just pops down. Right, then you've got this here, so two-handedly you basically slide that out, and that is where the filter goes. Now these don't actually come with a filter in, they come just like that with the mesh, and they just sort of slot in there with the mesh. So yeah, so and obviously what's happened is as it blows through, you get dust coming into, you know, all your other parts, so the filter just literally just slots in there. I hope I got that the right way, and then simple as that, goes back in there like that. And then this part you kind of tuck in. Up here you've got like another bit of pipe that you need to try and get in there. Okay, so once you've done that, screws go back in, and that is it. 1, 2 screws, it's all in. So simple, such an easy thing to do. It's definitely going to be a bonus on some of those dusty tracks that we plan on driving. One of the most important things there is the worry of bringing an import vehicle here is, oh, can we get the parts for it? Well, it appears so, yes. I mean, I was reassured by the importer, but like I say, I called West Coast and they was just like, yep, you know, we've got that, we've got this, you know, even down to wheel bearings, which I didn't end up ordering. But yeah, they can get that over to you, and most of the stuff they're either bringing, they can find in Europe, or they're shipping from Australia, because they're shipping frequently. So I think it's just like a brilliant thing, and it's a great peace of mind now, because I was a little bit worried about that. So yeah, so thanks very much, West Coast. And I'm not sponsored to tell you that either. I'm just literally giving you the inside information there, if you're thinking of getting one of these, or if you have got one and you don't know. But I reckon if you have got one, you probably know about these guys. So anyway, I hope that video can be helpful to somebody. And what I will do is, when we're going to actually do the service, we'll see how we go, and then maybe I'll do the service and we'll get that on the video so you can see how to do that, or where those bits go, in fact. Okay, honestly, I hope that helped somebody out, and if you did like the video, or if you do think it was helpful, just whack that like button. You know, that's what helps me out. The more likes you give me, that lets me know that I'm doing something good and I'm helping somebody out, or you're just getting entertained. And hit the bell button, of course, you get notified when new videos come up. And yeah, cheers, see you in the next video.